Question number 26 of test series 3 is from water resources from topic fluid mechanics. Now in this question it is given that a circular tube of diameter d that is dipped in liquid like this, and we have to find that what is height h of rise or fall in the liquid because of capillary action. Now let us say h is the height of liquid, and now we will consider equilibrium of this hatched portion. Now weight of liquid in hatched portion, that should be in equilibrium with, say this is shape of meniscus and T is the surface tension which is acting. So vertical component of T should balance this weight of liquid, so this should be equal to cos component of surface tension. Now if we write this weight of liquid as pi d square by 4, because its cross sectional area multiply by height multiply by omega or gamma, which is unit weight of this liquid, it should be equal to pi into d into sigma into cos alpha, because pi d cos alpha will be surface area along which surface tension will be acting, and we are talking only about cos component or vertical component of surface tension. So upon solving we have h equal to 4 omega cos alpha into d divided by omega d. Okay, let's write again. H comes out as pi into d into sigma cos alpha into 4 divided by pi d square into omega, where omega is density. So pi and pi cancel, and 1 d square here, and d cancel, which comes out as sigma 4 sigma into cos alpha divided by omega d. This is only omega d. So making option C as the correct answer. So correct answer for question number 26 is C.